Hi everyone. So today's video is going to be pretty short because I'm not really teaching anything new today. Instead, today is the test. So the video is just going to walk you through how to take the test on HMH. So here is the first page. It really doesn't look like much. It just lets you know that there's going to be different types of questions, like some multiple choice, some like complete the table or put things in a different order, some sort of technology enhanced items, and then some short answer. It also lets you know here that you can review or change your previous answers. So I'll show you that when we get in there. So once you answer something, it's very easy to go back and change that answer if you decide you want to. All right, click Start to begin. Down here at the bottom is a green button that says Start. Let's click it. And here we go. Here's the first question of the test. So first I want to, it's cutting it off a little bit, but you can tell. Down here are the questions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth. There's also a green Next button. So this is question number 1. And it says, who is the most likely intended audience for this essay? So this is a multiple choice. You'd click your answer and then click Next. Now, if you want to look back at the story, because these are what we call open book tests, that mean you can look at what we read while you take the quiz or test. If you click here to launch Unusual Normality, you click here, it's going to open a new tab. So that's why I included my tabs in this recording. So see, it opened a new tab, and here's the essay. Here's our reading. So you could go back and look at it if you wanted to. And then your quiz was over here on this tab. All right, so you can just click between the two tabs if you want to look at the story while you take the test. So you're going to answer that one, click Next, go to the next one, answer it. I'm going to skip all the way ahead to 10 so I can show you there are only 12. There are 12 questions, so it's not a super long test. And if at any time you want to go back and answer, let's say something that you saw in, I'm going to randomly pick things here, something you saw in number 9 made you want to change your answer to number 4, go for it. Then come back to, number 4 and change your answer. Whatever you do, just make sure you've answered all 12 items. And then when you have, you can click Finish down here in the lower right-hand corner. Click Finish. And that's it. That's the quiz. It should be a quick day. Hopefully you read the essay, you did all the work up front, all the formative work we've been doing over the last 2 weeks, and the quiz will go pretty smoothly for you. If you have questions or concerns, like always, just Google Meet with me, email me, and I will help you out. Have a great day.